Hey everybody, it's your girl Tracy Pinkhammer, and this is your Rehab Project Starter Lite Checklist. This is the first step to managing your renovation projects with clarity and control. This lightweight one-page tool is built in Google Drive, so it is ready to use anywhere, whether you're in the field or on your laptop at home. At the top, just fill in your project name, location, and some key details. Use the status bars to show if a task is in progress, on hold, or complete, keeping this project and the timeline visible at a glance, y'all. You can see it all right there in one spreadsheet. There's a space for notes on every line, and I encourage you to write it all down. That section of notes will grow and grow and grow with you as your project goes on and on and on. Keep track of vendor issues, material changes, and anything else that could affect your timeline and your budget. Okay, now let's talk numbers. Each task includes columns for your estimated budget and your actual cost. As you update it, the sheet automatically flags your spending. Green means you're good. Mwah. Red means you're over budget. This is a warning for you to slow down and reassess your project. Crunch your numbers again. Sometimes it happens in the middle of the project. No more guessing, no more lost notes. This checklist gives you a simple, powerful way to manage a rehab like a pro from day one. Ready to get started? Download the Pinkhammer Rehab Project Starter Lite Checklist now and track your progress the Pinkhammer way. All right, y'all. Bye.